Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to cancel Notion subscription. So if you have upgraded your plan or if you have subscribed to this specific plan here in Notion, then all you have to do to cancel the subscription is go to settings and membership and go to upgrade plan, and you should see a downgrade right here if you have upgraded your plan. So as you can see, you can't see anything here. I haven't subscribed to any plans yet, but if I have subscribed and added a payment method right here, or added my card or any payment option that I have, then I should see this billing option right here. So if you can see the downgrade, then you can go to this settings and membership again, and then you should see a billing option. And once you have found this billing option in your Notion, all you have to do is simply cancel a subscription right here. So you should see this. So for example, you have subscribed a plan here, or you have subscribed to a plan here in Notion. What you're going to do is to click that unsubscribe button. There will be an unsubscribe option right here, and all you have to do is to click that one and then follow the instruction to automatically unsubscribe to any plans right here in Notion. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!